yun no, November na pala. Grabe, ang bilis ng buwan. As we all know, this is the month of spooky season. NANI? Spooky with an S, ha? Ang dami na naman nating maririnig ng mga ghost stories, no? Mga nakakakilabot na kwentuhan sa mga grupo-grupo, mga kakaibigan, pamilya, lahat na, isama mo na sila. Pero this time round, we're gonna talk about a different kind of spooky. We're gonna talk about fears. Wow! Yeah, anong fears to? Ito ba yung fears second, third? Gaga. Ito yung mga fears na medyo tabu sa ating mga Pinoy. Something na mahirap kasing pag-usapan kasi it shows vulnerability. So, ano nga yun? Honestly, it could be anything. It could be fear of heights, fear of darkness, fear of, I don't know, being left behind, being judged, starting over again. And now we're starting over again. Sabi ni Jabol, fear of losing me daw. Talaga ba? Baka i-ghost mo ako, ha? Huy! Kidding aside, come and join me as we find people here in Kaya Island just like you and me who's been afraid of once in their lives. Tara, pakinggan natin ang storya nila.
After becoming a mom, my greatest fear is that I'm not being good enough. I'm not raising my kids the right way and also not providing enough for them.
Hello, I'm Philly. So my greatest fear I think is fear of dying alone because of the idea na wala nandyan para sa iyo as we die. And I see families are devastated by not being able to be with their loved one as they die. And it's really terrifying for me.
Pinaka nakakatakot sa akin, regrets. Kaya habang may pagkakataon, pahalagahan mo. Habang may magagawa ka, ipaglaban mo. Oo, nakakatakot din yun. Pero mas nakakatakot yung wala ka nang magawa kasi yung oras, pag lumipas, mahirap nang ibalik.
Kung usapang fears lang naman, pwede ba kita maging first wife and last? Another fears ko na naman ay first time kong magmahal ng tama sa'yo pa.
Hi! What is my biggest fear? Marami talaga akong fear sa buhay, but my biggest fear is losing someone or a person rather that is very important to me, like a family member, etc. And also, I have thalassophobia or fear in deep water.
Ang greatest fear ko ay mawala ng pera. Number 1 talaga yun. Nagtitrigger yung panic at ako pag nawawalan ako ng pera. Kaya pag nagkukuripot na ako, ibig sabihin nun, nasa borderline na yung budget ko. Tapos, pag nanahimik si Rayla, halimbawa nagpaalam ako, sabi ko, inom lang kami ni Kenneth. Pumayag, pero tahimik. Nakabahan na ako.
Kinakatakutan ko ang trypophobia, pero hindi ako natatakot sa butas niya.
Hi, I'm Franz Kafka. My greatest fear is losing the chance to be in the DN's list and her liking another guy. That's all.
Ako nga pala si Jello ng Bling. My greatest fear po is losing Maya. I can overcome this fear through tarot. Hindi ko ma-overcome ang fear na to. Gusto ko talagang kumawala siya.
So, my greatest fear is losing someone I love. The thought of not having them around feels overwhelming.
Ako, yung sa akin, fear of men. Kasi takot ako sa lalaki.
Sa akin naman po, my greatest fear is to be cheated on or like being betrayed. Cheating does not only break one's heart, but it also break one's soul.
Ang greatest fear ko ay may mapepep habang nasa tiis ako.
Alright, so there you go guys. As you can see, there are some na very playful yung naging answers nila. And there are some na I know it took a lot of courage to really share with us what their fears are. And now, of course, hindi pa dyan natatapos ang ating podcast. Meron tayo ngayong special guest. And if you're watching my videos, probably familiar with him already. So without much further ado, let me introduce you to someone very close to my heart. He's my best friend and he's Zeus.
Hi guys, my name is Zeus. You can call me Z or Zeus. Kung anong prefer niyo itawag sa akin, na nag-iwan ng katagang, paano ka mag-grow kung ayaw mo magpa-delay?
Thank you pala, Zeus, sa pag-attend dito sa aking talk show.
Dog show to eh. Dito talk show, dog show eh.
Kamusta ka naman ngayon, Z?
Ano? Sabi ko na nga pa, dog show mo ako eh.
Gago, hindi kita ito-dog show. Kinakamusta lang kita.
Eto, buhay pa naman.
So yun, di-discuss lang naman natin kasi 'di ba napanood mo sa video na may mga nag-share ng kanilang experiences when it comes to their fears. I'm just really curious to know, may kinatatakutan ba ang isang Z?
One of my greatest fear is to speak in public sa maraming tao. So, apprehensive about leading conferences and seminars.
Talagang binasa mo, hayop ka. Sabi ko, casual lang.
Casual yun.
Bobo, hindi casual yun. Sige nga, ano ibig sabihin na apprehensive?
Akala ko di ka nakikinig.
Gago, nakikinig ako. How did you overcome it? Ang ginawa mo, nag-perform ka sa stage.
Hindi, bago pa ako mag-perform sa stage, I have signed up to apply Advanced ROTC Officer as a leader on the platoon.
Wow.
You have to communicate your teams. So, siyempre, kailangan mo mag-speak sa kanila. Ganon. Kaya nawala yung fear ko sa pakikipag-usap sa maraming tao.
Kumbaga, yung role mo as an officer pushed you to your limits. Anong may advice mo sa younger generations na natakot before, natakot na sumubok ulit, or di kaya takot currently, or natatakot sa future nila?
Ato lang, try and try until you succeed.
Until you die, gago?
Wait lang, di pa ako tapos eh. Sa masasabi ko lang sa kanila, huwag kayong matakot masaktan. Because natututo yung tao sa kanila sariling pagkakamali. Mas natututo sila pag nasasaktan. So, huwag kayong matakot masaktan. Kahit ilang beses ka pang masaktan.
Tama.
Go for the good.
Go for the good. Hindi, seryoso yun. Kasi 'di ba ang fear kasi, oftentimes, it's an emotional response to protect us from danger, 'di ba? Kaya nga tayo kinakabahan kasi natatakot tayo masaktan. So yun, sometimes kasi kinakain na sila ng takot to the extent na ayaw na nilang subukan.
Pag kinakain ka ng takot, kainin mo rin.
Tangina mo. Paano kung ang takot, kaya nun, may sumagot dito, takot daw siya sa mga lalaki.
Ang tanong, sino ba yun? Grabe naman sumagot niyan. Ilang beses na ba nasaktan yan?
Tess, bago sana matapos ang show, pwede bang isang awu-awu naman dyan?
Ino talaga.
Sige na, pagbigyan mo na ako. May fam kasi kami, di ba, yung Wolf Gang?
Arf.
Gago, wolf kami, ginawa mong tuta.
Awu.